Spinex Global, one-of-a-kind physiotherapy clinic in Surat, to provide home care service. Dr. Neeraj Bansali, leading physiotherapist in Surat, and his team at Spinex Global were the pioneers of this idea. Dr. Bansali said that due to the recent spike in COVID-19 cases, many patients are hesitant to visit the clinic for appropriate treatment, which gave us this idea to provide home services to our patients who are unable to leave home so that there is no lapse in treatment. Spinex Global has put together a team of 60 doctors specializing in various treatment to be able to provide home service. Can you give a little explanation about this innovative initiative that you have taken to provide services at home?
Yeah, thank you very much. Myself, Dr. Neeraj Bansali from Spinex Global. Basically, this is actually the concept based on giving a quality healthcare service at the doorstep of individuals. Basically, what we have seen is that people are suffering with so many different problems like pains and paralysis, and some wants to get slimmer, sports injuries, even the paralytic females wants some kind of exercises, and even after delivery also they require exercise program. And so many other, even COVID patients, they require a lot of rehabilitation and care. So because of this COVID kind of situation, there are fear in the society. People are a bit reluctant and bit fearful to go at the distant places and getting the treatment done. Though we are taking optimum measures at the clinic also for the as far as COVID is concerned, we are taking all the sanitization care, but still it's a concern for most of the people. So we have planned accordingly. So we have designed a treatment which patients can get with the equipments at their doorstep.
As you mentioned that there is a team of 60 doctors who will be visiting the patient's home. So how will you ensure that during this time of corona, the safety of the patient as well as the safety of the doctor who is visiting different patients' house?
It's a very genuine question, and that is the concern for us also, because in this COVID time, we would like to make it a point that from our side, patient won't get contaminated, and even our team won't get contaminated. For that, actually, from our side, what we are taking care is we are doing every day 6 minutes walk test, and we monitor the temperature of each and every team or member of us. If we suspect a single percent of any team member, then we stop their work immediately and we ask them to go for quarantine or get the corona negative certificate first, and then we allow them to touch to the patient either in the clinic or at the home care also.
In order to protect the patients and the team of doctors, Spinex Global has taken proper care to sanitize the machines before and after use. Temperatures are checked of all doctors at regular intervals, and COVID testing is undertaken to ensure the safety of both parties. Spinex Global has also come up with something called telephysiotherapy to help patients via video call and provide appropriate treatment. Dr. Bansali takes personal care to ensure that the patients are receiving proper care and treatment at home, for which he calls the patients personally to receive feedback on doctors. Spinex Global has immense experience in the field of physiotherapy and has even cured patients who previously required surgery.